Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare bitter gourd in electric kettle. Okay, we'll fry the bitter gourds. You can also add one potato. You can wash the potato and cut it to small pieces. Okay, I have taken out the seeds and I'm going to use the lemon also, and onion and red chilies. First of all, heat the kettle and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds. And some gram dal or chana dal. Okay, and add the red chilies. You can also use the green chilies. Okay, without taking risk, you can also do like just close the lid of it after adding the red chili. Okay, now remove the lid and add the onions. Now fry the onions till they turn dull golden color. Okay, once the onions are fried and ready, add the bitter gourd to it. I'm not going to add any other masala, only I will add salt now. Okay, add salt to it. Okay, give it a mix and cook it till the bitter gourds are done. Okay, I guess it will take some 10 to 15 minutes. In between, don't forget to switch off the kettle. Okay, after adding the bitter gourds, little bit oil will be there because we have added little bit more oil. Okay, so till the oil is there, don't add any water. If till the oil is over, the bitter gourd is not yet, like it's still raw, then add little bit of water and cook it. Okay, you can also close the lid if you want to, but don't forget to check in every 20 seconds. Hello guys, as you can see, it's almost cooked. I have not added water. In that oil only I am keep frying it. Now it will take hardly 2 more minutes. That's it. Okay. Now we will add the masalas. Add turmeric powder. Add garam masala powder. Since we have already added 2 red chilies, so little bit of red chili powder. Now mix this well. Okay, mix this well and cook it for 1 more minute. Okay. After 1 minute, add 1 slice of lemon. Now we can switch off the kettle. Now mix it well and take it to boil. Okay. Yes guys, it is ready. So if you like the recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.